Have you ever made your own game? This is what we're going to do in this week's activity. We're going to create our games with AI. The AI is going to code for us. You don't need any technical knowledge, but we're going to do vibe coding. It's going to be really fun. So welcome, goddesses, to this week's activity. I'm Faye. If you don't know me, I'm the founder of this community. I used to be a software architect, and now I'm an AI educator, helping people, and especially I love to work with women, find the confidence to use AI in a natural and daily way and see that it's an amazing collaborative tool and not scary at all once you get used to it. So join me in this activity, and you can also talk to me to learn more in my private coaching or advanced workshops. The AI Goddesses community is a supportive women's space to learn and explore about AI through what I believe is the best learning, joyful, hands-on activities. So I recommend to do this with a friend if you're joining us online, so you have some support and someone to share it with. And if you're joining us in one of our local hubs, that's amazing. So glad to have you here. So you can share with us as well in the WhatsApp community and get our support and excitement about your creations. I'm going to start with Qwen today. It's an amazing free AI tool that is made by Alibaba, and you can use it, and you can also log in to your account. There's an app and there's a website. You can go to Chat Qwen. I will send it to you. And you can also download the app. And you don't have to, but if you log in, it will save your conversations. A new chat, and I'm looking here for the artifacts. This is creating live applications for us, and I'm going to put my prompt. This time I went for a prompt on a snake game for mobile, but with a little different design. Right, so it's finished and I can preview it. Let's see. This is the game. Let's start. Okay. Oh, I can swipe to control. And oh, here's my star. It's almost hidden here under the controls. Nice. Ooh, special one. Oh, damn, I lost. But no, it brought me back, so I can't lose the game. I'm just disappearing for a bit. We can fix that. But cool results so far. So I'm giving it a few notes. Didn't quite design it as I want, and I want the game to be over if I get stuck. So now it's gonna recreate the app with the changes. Let's see what it created. So in this case I get failed to preview. So I told it failed. So it's starting to correct itself. Any problem you see, you can just ask it to fix it. And now we did, and let's check the new app. Loading, and now we can see it. It fixed the issue, and oh my god, this face is kind of creepy. That's okay. I'm not sure where my stars are. Here we go. Oh, nice effects. And let's see if I get into the wall now, will I die? I gotta do something. And it works! Now I can keep editing this as much as I want, like we saw in the conversation. And there's one more thing that you can do. We can deploy. Deploy, it means to share. And you can see here that we can choose if it's public or private. And when we click deploy, it's going to publish that, and then you can send this link to anybody to play your game. How fun is that? Going again to the artifact, and we'll try in a bit more complicated game. Let's see how it does. And I'm going to do like a Mario old school Flash style game. And I'm gonna give it a reference image. So I'm gonna add here an image for it to reference the style. As you can see, it may take a few minutes. Let's see what it created for us. Ooh. Okay, not what I meant, but I'm kind of liking this.
Okay, so this is pretty cool. It's not what I meant, but it's a pretty amazing game. So this is also part of the fun of creating with AI, that you can just flow with that. You don't have to insist on something. I like this one, maybe I'll improve it. And I think it's tried to do a halo for the AI goddess, and it is collecting stars. So some of it got through. AI goddess victory, yay! I'm going to share this game with you. You can play it too, it's fun. We've made our apps, and now a few tips and tricks. So if you're in a chat and for some reason it doesn't create the code for you, the app, it gets an error, you can always start a new chat and copy the same prompt, or you can change the models as well. I changed between Qwen 3 and the Qwen Coder for this. But either way, we go and we click on the artifacts to create the app.
What did we learn about AI today? It can do amazing things. There's so many options, and now you know that you can create your own games. And we learned that it can't do everything, right? We gave it a complicated design request and it did something else. So there are limits, but they're always changing. So it's worth trying out things. And then we can be very detailed in our prompt. We can say exactly what we want and how we want it to be. We can edit it later and ask the game to change after we see it. It's also a great way to create. Thanks for joining me on this activity. Now you can make your own games. I hope you make some cool ones and share it with us. And remember, if you share in the community your creation, you get a star. Goddesses who collect stars will be invited to a special meetup where I'll give prompting hacks, simple ones that you can use right away. So can't wait to see you in the next activity and play with your games. Hope you had a great time.